You guys just need to hit the playground and play like this to stay away from it.
Shalom! This is RaYBaSH's Torah Thoughts for Kids, and this is Parashah number 22. Vayakhel, he assembled, taken from Exodus chapter 35 verse 1 all the way to chapter 38 verse 20. Kids, did you ever have a special toy, trophy, or bike that you took extra special care of because you loved it so much? Let's just say it's a bike. You wax it. You keep the gears lubricated. You cover it up with a tarp or put it in the garage so the weather won't ruin it. You keep it chained up so it won't get stolen. You buy new things to soup it up, shocks, a new seat, spokey dokies, dice caps for your tires so they won't lose air. The way you keep your bike shows how much you love that bike. It's no different with God. The way we keep our synagogue, churches, homes, and our bodies reflect and show our love for God because we are thankful that He has given us these things to care for. And when our synagogues, churches, homes, and our bodies are clean and healthy, everyone else will know how much we love God, His Messiah, and His Torah too. Shabbat Shalom, Shavua Tov. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to press the like button as well as the subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and the notification bell that'll let you know every time I make a new video. And don't forget to share this with a friend. Also, visit our website at abrahamsdescendants.com. Thanks. Shalom.